Introducing the MSIED Kit, a revolutionary solution designed for children with special needs, including those with conditions such as cerebral palsy, autism, and Down syndrome. This innovative kit focuses on enhancing crucial aspects of a child's development, from body reflexes to cognitive skills. Our Infinity Loop game is more than just fun. It's a developmental pediatric therapy tool. It promotes body reflexes, eye-hand coordination, and helps children learn to shift their center of gravity in a controlled manner, ultimately improving postural stability and reducing the risk of falls. Stepping stones with anti-slip guards are perfect for balance and strength training. Ideal for children undergoing physiotherapy, they contribute to improved balance, posture, strength, and sensorial development. The massage ball with stick is an ideal solution for blood circulation and tactile development. Safe and non-toxic, it aids in sensorial development and provides essential tactile stimulation for children with special needs. The Olive Massage Ball, a textured product, is designed to enhance grip, finger dexterity, and emotional stability. It accelerates the learning process for gripping, finger nimbleness, and the essential pinch and release movements. The squeezer is tailor-made for tactile and sensory stimulation. Strengthening wrists and hands, it improves flexibility in wrist joints, stimulates movement, and enhances sensory development. The Air Cushion, an all-in-one solution, strengthens lower body muscles, trains for balance, and provides varied sensory perceptions. From bump-studded to gently textured, it enhances touch, coordination skills, and posture development. The MSIED Kit, a safe, non-toxic, and effective solution for special children undergoing physiotherapy. It's not just a kit, it's a pathway to improved concentration, cognitive skills, good posture, and sensorial development. Empower their journey with MSIED Kit.